Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to Shareasale affiliate program sign up. How you can do this? It's really easy. You have to just for the Google look for Shareasale, just search for it. You will get this option here. Now just go and click on affiliate login here. On the top right you will get this option of login. So if you don't know have any here you will get this three option: merchant login, agency login, or affiliate login. So we'll just go and select on affiliate login here, and right now you can see that we don't have any accounts, so we have to make an account. You have to enter the email address and the password, and then just go and click on login. Now here you have to just wait for a few seconds. Now for those guys who don't have an account, they have to make an account. So just go and click on sign up, affiliate sign up here. Now they have to add all this information right now, for example, the username, right, and the password, and make sure the password is exactly same here. Now you have to just select your country. Now then go and click on step 2. Now here you have to enter the website URL. So you have to enter your website where you are going to promote the links, right? And this is the platform for your website is written in which language. So it's around English. So I'll just go and select here, and now I will just add my website URL. Then you have to just go and select here, does the website contain adult content? It's no around here. And you have to, once you fill up all this information, just go and click on step 3. Now here they will ask you to confirm your email. So once you confirm your email, just go and click on step 4, and then you will able to create your account. So this is how you can sign up for Shareasale. It's very easy thing to do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.